So all of our Monarch frames are built with anodized aluminum and all aluminum connectors, so they're built to last and very strong. When you're pushing the leg up, simply press the button and raise it 2 clicks. So our walls simply attach with heavy-duty industrial Velcro to the balance of the tent. The Velcro flap will then wrap around each leg and attach back to itself. So each 13 by 26 frame should take about 5 minutes for 2 people to set up. And then installing the walls should take about 10 to 15 minutes. So you're looking at 25 to 30 minute complete setup. So our head clearance on our 13 by 26 is 7 foot 1 inch. So our foot plates are 60 pounds a piece, super easy to put on. It is locked together just like that. Adds instant stability and ballasting to your tent. So the best option to ballast your tent down if you're on grass or dirt would be the guy strap with a stake and a clip here that hooks right to the corner, just like this. You want to go at about a 45-degree angle and pound it down into the dirt or the grass. If you're on concrete or asphalt, your best option is to look into your local rental company for a water ballasting or a concrete block ballasting. So to lower your tent leg, simply press this push button right here 2 times, and your leg is down. With our pad to design dolly kit, it's simple to move tents around, very mobile. Simply insert the pegs into the feet, the handle up top, you're ready to go.